Are we living in just one universe, or could there be an infinite number of parallel universes out there? The concept of a multiverse is a mind-bending idea that challenges our understanding of reality as we know it. Join us as we explore the latest theories and evidence that suggest the existence of a multiverse and why it could be the key to unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos. Get ready for a journey beyond the boundaries of our universe with our exciting video on Here's Why a Multiverse May Exist. What is a multiverse? The multiverse is a term that scientists use to describe the idea that beyond the observable universe, other universes may exist as well. Multiverses are predicted by several scientific theories that describe different possible scenarios, from regions of space in different planes than our universe, to separate bubble universes that are constantly springing into existence. What are some of the more popular multiverse theories? Perhaps the most scientifically accepted idea comes from what's known as inflationary cosmology, which is the idea that in the minuscule moments after the Big Bang, the universe rapidly and exponentially expanded. Cosmic inflation explains a lot of the observed properties of the universe, such as its structure and the distribution of galaxies. This theory at first looked like a piece of science fiction, although a very imaginative one, says Lind, one of the architects of cosmic inflationary theory, but it explained so many interesting features of our world that people started taking it seriously. One of the theory's predictions is that inflation could happen over and over again, perhaps infinitely, creating a constellation of bubble universes. Not all of those bubbles will have the same properties as our own. They might be spaces where physics behaves differently. Some of them might be similar to our universe, but they all exist beyond the realm we can directly observe. So where do all of those other Earths exist? They're all overlapping in dimensions we can't access. MIT's Max Tegmark refers to this type of multiverse as a level II multiverse, where multiple scenarios are playing out and branching realities. In the many worlds interpretation, you still have an atomic bomb. You just don't know exactly when it's going to go off, Linda says. And maybe in some of those realities, it won't. By contrast, the multiple universes predicted by some theories of cosmic inflation are what Tegmark calls a level II multiverse, where fundamental physics can be different across the different universes. In an inflationary multiverse, Lind says, you do not even know if, in some parts of the universe, atomic bombs are even possible in principle. Is there any direct evidence suggesting multiverses exist? Even though certain features of the universe seem to require the existence of a multiverse, nothing has been directly observed that suggests it exists. So far, the evidence supporting the idea of a multiverse is purely theoretical, and in some cases, philosophical. Some experts argue that it may be a grand cosmic coincidence that the Big Bang forged a perfectly balanced universe that is just right for our existence. Other scientists think it is more likely that any number of physical universes exist, and that we simply inhabit the one that has the right characteristics for our survival. An infinite number of alternate little pocket universes, or bubble universes, some of which have different physics or different fundamental constants, is an attractive idea, Kakalio says. That's why some people take these ideas kind of seriously, because it helps address certain philosophical issues, he says. Scientists argue about whether the multiverse is even an empirically testable theory. Some would say no, given that by definition a multiverse is independent of our universe and impossible to access. But perhaps we just haven't figured out the right test. The idea of a multiverse, or the existence of multiple universes beyond our own, is a fascinating and controversial topic in modern physics and cosmology. While the concept of a multiverse may seem far-fetched or even impossible, there are several compelling reasons why some scientists believe that it may exist. One of the most compelling reasons to consider the possibility of a multiverse is the concept of inflationary cosmology, which suggests that the universe underwent a brief period of rapid expansion just after the Big Bang. This theory suggests that the universe expanded exponentially in the first fraction of a second, creating vast regions of space beyond what we can observe today. It is possible that these regions could contain other universes, each with its unique physical laws and constants. Another argument for the existence of a multiverse comes from the anthropic principle, which suggests that the fundamental constants of nature, such as the speed of light or the strength of gravity, are finely tuned to allow for the emergence of life. Some scientists argue that the only way to explain this apparent fine-tuning is to postulate the existence of multiple universes with different physical laws, in which the conditions for the emergence of life are more likely. Finally, the discovery of dark matter and dark energy, which together make up more than 95% of the mass energy content of the universe, suggests that there may be other forms of matter and energy beyond what we can detect with our current instruments. Some scientists believe that these invisible forms of matter and energy could be evidence of the existence of other universes or extra dimensions beyond our own. In conclusion, the concept of a multiverse is a fascinating and mind-bending idea that has captured the imagination of scientists and non-scientists alike. While the existence of multiple universes beyond our own remains a matter of speculation and debate, the possibility of a multiverse opens up a whole new realm of scientific inquiry and exploration. As we continue to study and explore the universe around us, we may one day find new evidence that supports or refutes the existence of a multiverse, and in doing so, gain a deeper understanding of the nature of reality itself. So keep your eyes and ears open and stay curious. Who knows what wonders the multiverse may have in store for us? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel or you will miss out on our videos.